My name's Alexandra Stableforth. I'm the head of Dimensional's Dublin office, and I also am on our global risk and compliance team. In a previous life, I was the cake doctor. When I was at Sydney University studying law, I used to bake a lot of cakes for my friends, and I would quite often take a cake into class, and I started noticing that homemade cakes make a big difference to people's moods. I started to think about whether I could create individual prescriptions for my friends. So I came up with the slogan, "A cake for every ache," a Middle Eastern blood orange cake for people who needed more sunshine in their lives, a flourless chocolate espresso cake for people who needed a pick-me-up, a sticky ginger cake for someone who needed their heart stuck back together, and Rocky Road for someone who needed a bit more adventure in their lives. So when I bake a cake, I'm ultimately thinking about who's going to be eating the cake and how much enjoyment they're going to get out of it and what they want and need out of that bit of cake. At Dimensional, sometimes our clients do know what they want and what they need, and sometimes it might be a bit of an iterative process, whether that's a particular product, a particular registration, a particular share class, or a particular portfolio construction. We try and come up with a solution that is going to work for them, but always sticking back to the original recipe of the Dimensional philosophy.